Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Now ask yourself, how often do negative thoughts hold you back? Hi, I'm Sonali and welcome back to Smaran. If you are following a 30-day mindfulness challenge or just stopping by for the first time, today's practice is about something we all experience: negative thoughts. It's time to let them go and make space for calm, clarity, and peace of mind. Let's begin. We all have moments where negative thoughts creep in, whether it's self doubt, worry, or frustration. The problem isn't having these thoughts, it's when we let them control us. Today, we are going to practice letting go of those thoughts. First, close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you breathe, notice any negative or unwanted thought that may be lingering in your mind right now. Don't fight them, simply acknowledge them. Now imagine each negative thought is like a leaf floating on a river. Watch the leaf gently drift by on the surface of the water. As each thought appears, place it on another leaf and allow it to float away. You don't need to chase the thoughts or cling to them. Just let them pass one by one. Feel the tension, release your mind and body as you watch these thoughts drift further and further away. Take another deep breath in and exhale slowly, letting go of anything that doesn't serve you in this moment. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, and more at peace. Remember, thoughts are temporary. They come and go. You have the power to choose which ones to hold on to and which ones to release. Let's take one more deep breath together. Inhale and exhale, letting go completely. You have just practiced the art of letting go. Every time you feel weighed down by negative thoughts, you can come back to this simple visualization and breathe them away. How did it feel to let go today? Share your experience with us in the comments below. If you are new here, welcome to the Smaran community. Hit subscribe to stay with us for the rest of the challenge. Tomorrow is day 26 and we are continuing this journey toward more peace and mindfulness. You are doing amazing, so keep going.